Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Cupid Mutated fish in Fish It Roblox. If you're ready to catch the most romantic mutations in the game, the Cupid Mutated fish are officially here, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. And here, for the location, of course, you need to catch it inside the Heartfelt Islands, and you'll increase your odds to catch the Cupid Mutation one when this Valentine's event is on. And you can also buy the love potions or the love totem to increase your odds in catching the Cupid mutations. And for the rod and bait, you just need to use your bass rod and bait. I'm using element rod with singularity bait, and this is my favorite locations to catch the Cupid mutated fish. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.